Most people trying to lose belly fat are doing the exact opposite of what works. They do more sit-ups, they starve, they cut carbs completely, but most times it does not work. That's because belly fat is not a fitness problem. It's a hormonal and metabolic problem. Today, I'll explain what belly fat is, why it forms, and the medical way to remove it safely. There are two types of belly fat. The first one is subcutaneous fat, that is the soft fat you can pinch. The second type is visceral fat, which is the dangerous fat around organs: liver, pancreas, intestines. The second one is the real issue because visceral fat causes disease conditions like high blood pressure, diabetes, heart disease, low testosterone in men, hormonal imbalance in women. So, when we talk about losing belly fat, we're really talking about fixing metabolism. The body stores belly fat when insulin stays high. Insulin is the fat storage hormone, meaning every time you frequently eat sugary drinks, snacks all day, refined carbs, late-night meals, the insulin never drops. And when insulin is high, fat burning is off. So most people exercise hard and still do not lose belly fat because the problem is hormonal. The fastest medical way to reduce belly fat is to lower insulin daily. You do that through meal spacing. Stop constant eating. Instead, have 2 to 3 healthy meals per day, no snacking between meals, 14-hour overnight fasting window. Example, dinner at 7 p.m., breakfast 9 a.m. This alone often reduces belly fat within weeks because now the body finally switches to fat burning mode. A good example of the plate formula that is advised is protein, palm size, fiber vegetables, half plate, healthy fat, small amount, controlled carbs, best foods, eggs, chicken, fish, beans, vegetables, Greek yogurt, oats, rice in moderation. Worst foods for belly fat: liquid calories, juices, sodas, frequent snacks, night eating. Belly fat loves frequency more than quantity. Fat loss is systemic, not local. Best exercise medically for visceral fat: walking 8-12K steps daily, resistance training 3x weekly, short intense cardio 2x weekly. Why walking works: it lowers insulin without increasing hunger hormones. Running too much can slow belly fat loss in beginners. Other things that can increase belly fat include sleep less than 6 hours because cortisol rises and it leads to an increase in belly fat even with a perfect diet. This is why night shift workers struggle with stomach fat. Important advice is to sleep before midnight when possible. Belly fat is not laziness. It's physiology. In summary, to lose that stubborn abdominal fat, lower insulin, control eating frequency, walk more, lift weights, sleep better. Do this consistently. Your body doesn't resist science. Note, if you have any chronic disease, especially diabetes, please consult your primary care provider, endocrinologist, or licensed dietitian for more guidance. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you in the next video.